Watch these short videos to help you assess different joints of the body using orthopaedic tests. This is the compression test or scarf test, and it's to assess for the acromioclavicular joint. So we're going to get the client's arm up to 90 degree at the elbow, and then just support the back here and push the arm across the body like so. Okay, so it's testing flexibility, but a positive for this test would be pain here as we're compressing the acromioclavicular joint. So pain there would be a positive, no pain would be a negative for that test. This test is called the AC spring test or shear test, and it's also assessing for the acromioclavicular joint here. So the heel of my hand is going to sit on the spine of the scapula at the back. The other heel of my hand is going to be on the clavicle, and I can link my hands together like so and squeeze the heel of my hands together. Now that will be compressing the AC joint at the front, or if there's excessive movement would be positive. This test is called the Sulcus Sign. So it's testing for instability, inferior instability of the glenohumeral joint here, or the shoulder joint. So what we're going to be doing is pulling down on the humerus down this way, and we can put a thumb there just underneath the acromion process. So I'm pulling down and I'm feeling how much it moves down. Now, if there is, let's say, a previous dislocation and it is unstable, you might find a gap in. Or if you could see the skin, you could often see a dimple forming. So under 1 centimetre could be a grade 1, up to 2 centimetres could be a grade 2, or over 2 centimetre dipping, dimpling, or movement could be a grade 3. So how can we remember the name Sulcus Sign? Well, show me a sulk, Martin. Perfect. See his mouth going down, and that's what I'm doing with his arm. I'm pulling the arm down into a sulky position. This test is the O'Brien's test for labrum and also the AC joint. So for this test, we get the client into 90 degree of flexion, come in 10 degree of abduction, and then medially rotated. When I apply force down through the arm and the client resists against me, that would be painful. But if we turn it up and there's no pain with that, that would be a positive for the labrum inside the shoulder joint. However, if the pain is on the AC joint, it would indicate the AC joint sprain. So how can we remember this test? Now, it's called the O'Brien's test, and O'Brien is a very common Irish name. So what are you holding in your hand, Martin?
I've got a pint of Guinness.
Pint of Guinness. Now, if you pour away the Guinness, how would you feel?
I feel very sad.
So this would be painful. But if you had a full glass there, how would you feel, Martin?
Happy.
Brilliant. So that's how to remember this test, O'Brien's test for labrum. So no test is 100% certain. The idea is to use these tests with your own skills and range of movement testing as well. We hope you enjoyed the videos. If you do, please like and subscribe and watch the next one.